Okay, geometry. We're about to go over the Unit 8 formative. The first one is 7-sided figure, so it's a heptagon. To find the sum of all the interior angles, I take 7, which is the number of sides, minus 2, and I get 5, and then times 180. And that's how I get 900. And then if it was a regular polygon, I'd take that total, that 900, and I'd divide by how many there were angles, interior angles, which is 7. 900 divided by 7, and I get 128.57. 7 rounds the 5 up to a 6. For number 2, this is not right. Okay, so what's the name of the polygon? It's a hexagon because there are 6 sides. Now it's asking for the sum of the exterior angles. The sum of all exterior angles of any polygon is going to be 360. If it's a regular polygon, what's the measure of just one exterior angle? Well, we just take that 360, clear, and we divide by the number of exterior angles there are. In this polygon, there are 6. So 360 divided by 6 will give you 60 degrees. You might have misread that one and done interior rather than exterior. Number 3, a parallelogram is shown. Look at the angles S and T, choose the correct answers. Okay, so to solve for X, you have to know that these two angles are consecutive. They're right next to each other. And look, do you see how this one's small and this one's big? This one's like acute and this one's obtuse. Together, consecutive angles in a parallelogram are supplementary. They're not equal. So we're going to take 15x minus 5 and add it to 65. So 15x, shoot, did I say plus 5? I should probably check that. And say that there are supplementary. 15x minus 5. Okay, so let me fix that. All right, so there's your equation. You do not set 15x minus 5 equal to 65. They're not equal. They're consecutive angles, so they're supplementary. So they are set equal to 180. Then you solve for the equation. You get 120 divided by 15, which is 8. So the value for x is 8. Now it's asking what's the measure of angle U. Well, angle U is opposite angle S. Those are the same. Those should be the same. So 65 degrees. And we are moving on to number 4. A parallelogram is shown below. Solve for x. Well, these are opposite sides in a parallelogram. Those should be equal. So we're going to set 3x minus 9 equal to 24. So new page. 3x minus 9 equals 24. And we get 3x equals, what is that, 33. Divide by 3, and I'm getting x is 11. So there we go. X is 11. And the last problem, diagonals have been bisected. So UA should be the same length as 2x minus 5. So we are just going to set 2x minus 5 equal to 3. So 2x minus 5 equals 3. Add 5 to both sides. We get 2x equals 8. Divide both sides by 2. We get x is 4. Let's see if that's one of the answers. And it is. And we are finished. Peace out.